Hello, welcome back in RVN's YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to teach you the shortest route method to find out the shortest route between two places. So, friends, before starting, I will request you that if you found this video useful, then please like and share to your friends, and please subscribe for getting regular updates. So, friends, the first question is, find the shortest route between C and X. Okay, so first of all, find the 2 points C and X. This is C and this is X. Okay, and now I have various method to find the shortest route. First of all, I will choose the shortest way. This is C to X, the path between C to X. Okay, but you will see here that no platform is coming in this way, so you will have to change the path. Now you can go from this place and you will find the platform number 10 in this way. So the answer of this question will be 10. Now comes to second question. This is F to L. Now see the 2 points F and L. F is here and L is here. Now I will have to cross at least one platform between these two places. So I will choose this way. Okay, this is going straight. So the one number platform come in this way, so that I can say that this path will touch the platform number 1. So I can say the answer is 1. Now comes to third question. This is E to W. Now see the 2 points E and W. A is here and W is here. Okay. So if I have to go from E to W, then I will have to choose one way. If you will go from this place, then you can see that there is a barrier. Okay, so this barrier will not uh, cannot be passed. Okay, so we will have to change the way. I can go here. By this way I can reach the destination W. So I can say that by this way I am touching the platform 7. That's why the answer will be 7. Now the fourth question is X to L. So you can also push the video and find the shortest route and then tally. Okay, this will help you a lot. X to L, I have two places. This is X and this is L, and I will have to go from X to L. So you can see here there is a very clear way. If I will go straight, then I will take turn right turn and then left turn. I will reach the destination L. So the house which touches the shortest route or the way is 5. So that I can say that the answer will be 5 for the fourth question. And fifth question is W to P. W to P. So first of all, as earlier I have done, I will mark 2 points W and T. Sorry, P. So W and P is here. Now I will have to check which way is the shortest for this. So I can go straight from W. I will take a right turn, then left turn, then again right turn, left turn, and then I can reach the destination P. So you can say that the platform which touches the shortest route or the way which I have used to go from W to P is 9. That's why the answer will be 9. Friends, you can also think that why I have taken a right turn, I can go straight. Okay, so this is also the way, but I will have to choose one way, and you know very well that this barrier will not pass. You cannot pass this barrier. Okay, so the answer for W to P is 9. In sixth question, L to Q. Mark the 2 points L and Q. I have to find the shortest route, so I will go straight, take a left turn, and then right turn, and then left turn. Okay, in by this way I will touch the house or platform number 8. So the answer for L to Q is 8. You can also say that why the 4 number is not the answer. So please see here carefully that if you will go across this way, then you have two barriers which will not allow you to go to your destination. Now comes to the next question, B to S. You have to go from B and to S. So when you will go from B to S, then it is very easy. You can say that you can't go straight from B. Okay, so you will have to choose another way. If you will go straight to A and choose this way, okay, there is no barrier, then you will easily go to S. Okay, by this way you can get the house number 2. Okay, though, so the answer for B to S is 2. Now comes to next question, P to J. So friends, again I will mark 2 points P and J. This is P and this is J. When I will see here, okay, there is a barrier, okay. So I will have to go from this way and I will touch 8. Okay, by this way I can go from here. So I have reached the destination J, and in that way I have touched one house, that is 8. So I can say that the correct answer for P to J is 8. Now the next question is S to M, H to M. So again I will mark H, H is here, and M. So when I will see the, when I will find the short route, then I will see the my short route which I have selected is touching one number platform. That's why the answer for H to M is 1. So friends, you will not have to make it very it is not a kind of phobia, because many students have fear to solve the question of short route, because they think that how they can find the short route, because they face many problems like two houses come in their ways, and they are not able, then they are not able to find the exact way which we have to follow. So there is no problem, you will have to keep it practice. And in many books there is wrong answer, so just follow your rules and you will definitely get success in this exam. So you I will suggest you that you should not follow any book, because in many books there is very wrong concept, wrong answers. So if you will follow, then you will get confused. So if you are following right rules and you are getting any answer, then you can say that the answer has 99% probability to be correct. Okay, so now comes to 10th question, that is E to F. This is very easy. E and F both are very closer, so we will not have any problem to find the root between E to F. Okay, look at here. If I will go from E, then I will have to choose this way, and by this way I will touch the 6 number platform or 6 number house. That's why the answer for this question is 6. So friends, I hope you have understood the way to find out the shortest route. And if you have any problem, then please ask in comment box. You can also uh, tell me that on which topic I should make video, so that you can watch and learn different topics. And please, if you have not subscribed yet this channel, then please subscribe to motivate us. We will make as much as possible videos before the exam. Thank you very much for watching this video. All the best for your exam.